Welcome back to the AI Foundation Learning. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of small language models, or SLMs. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a beginner, or a seasoned professional, this video will break down everything you need to know about SLMs. So let's get started. In recent years, we've seen the rise of large language models, or LLMs, like GPT-4 and BERT, with parameter counts reaching into the billions and even trillions. These models are incredibly powerful, but they also come with significant computational costs and complexities. That's where small language models, or SLMs, come in. SLMs are a specialized subset of language models designed for specific tasks and domains. They are characterized by their compact architecture and lower computational requirements. This makes them highly efficient and precise for particular applications. Now let's look at some examples of SLMs and how they are used in various industries. One prominent example is domain-specific language models in healthcare. These models are fine-tuned to understand medical terminology, procedures, and patient care. They can summarize patient records, offer diagnostic suggestions, and stay current with medical research, providing highly accurate and relevant outputs. Another example is micro-language models for customer support. These models are trained to understand customer interactions, product details, and company policies. They can handle frequent questions, provide troubleshooting guidance, and escalate complex issues to human agents, improving customer service efficiency and satisfaction. Let's explore a few more examples of small language models that highlight their versatility and power. First up, we have the Phi-3 Mini. With 3.8 billion parameters, it rivals larger models like GPT-3.5. Despite its smaller size, it achieves impressive performance due to its training on heavily filtered web data and synthetic data. This makes it robust, safe, and adaptable to various applications, even deployable on a phone. Next, we have DistilBERT, a distilled version of BERT. DistilBERT retains 97% of BERT's language understanding while being 60% faster and 40% smaller. It's ideal for applications requiring the power of BERT, but with reduced computational overhead, such as real-time text analysis and chatbots. Another great example is Albert, a light BERT. It's designed to be lighter and faster than BERT without sacrificing performance. Albert achieves this through parameter sharing and factorized embedding parameterization, making it suitable for large-scale NLP tasks with lower resource requirements. GPT-Neo is an open-source alternative to GPT-3 with similar architecture and capabilities. It has 2.7 billion parameters and is designed to provide high-quality results for a variety of language tasks without the need for fine-tuning. While GPT-Neo may not always perform as well as larger models, its effectiveness remains strong across a wide range of applications. Similar to GPT-3 in design, GPT-J has 6 billion parameters and includes rotary position embeddings and attention mechanisms. This model is effective for tasks such as translating from English to French, and it competes closely with the Curie version of GPT-3 with 6.7 billion parameters. Interestingly, GPT-J outperforms the much larger GPT-3 Da Vinci model with 175 billion parameters in code generation. Developed by Microsoft, Orca 2 has been fine-tuned with high-quality synthetic data to perform well in zero-shot reasoning tasks. Due to its smaller size, it may face challenges in tasks that require extensive knowledge or contextual depth, but it is specifically designed for high performance in logical reasoning and punches above its weight. Now, let's dive into some specific use cases where small language models shine. In customer support, SLMs like micro LLMs can handle a large volume of inquiries, providing instant responses to common questions and troubleshooting issues. This reduces wait times and improves customer satisfaction. In healthcare, domain-specific SLMs can assist medical professionals by summarizing patient records, suggesting diagnoses, and keeping up to date with the latest research. This helps in improving the quality of care and streamlining administrative tasks. In the finance sector, SLMs can analyze and summarize financial reports, detect fraudulent activities, and provide personalized financial advice to customers. Their ability to process large volumes of data quickly and accurately is invaluable. SLMs can be used in educational tools to provide personalized learning experiences, generate content for different learning levels, and assist in grading assignments. They can also help in language learning by providing real-time feedback and practice exercises. In retail, SLMs can enhance the shopping experience by providing personalized recommendations, managing inventory, and handling customer inquiries. They can analyze customer behavior and preferences to optimize sales strategies. So, how do SLMs compare to their larger counterparts, LLMs? While LLMs are great for general tasks and broad applications, they can lack the specificity needed for certain industries. SLMs, on the other hand, are trained on focused data sets tailored to specific needs. This reduces inaccuracies and enhances relevance, minimizing the risk of generating irrelevant or incorrect information. SLMs are also more cost-effective and easier to manage, with lower latency, making them ideal for real-time applications like chatbots. Plus, they offer enhanced security and privacy, as they can be deployed on-premises or in private cloud environments, reducing the risk of data leaks. Let's dig into the mechanics of how SLMs work. SLMs typically have fewer parameters, often in the tens to hundreds of millions. This makes them computationally efficient without compromising on performance. Techniques like model compression, knowledge distillation, and transfer learning are used to optimize these models, condensing the capabilities of larger models into a more focused toolset. This efficiency allows SLMs to process data locally, enhancing privacy and security, and enabling deployment in environments with limited hardware capabilities or lower cloud resource allocations. SLMs offer several key benefits. 1. Tailored efficiency and precision. They are designed for specific purposes, providing accuracy that general-purpose LLMs may struggle to achieve. 2. Cost-effectiveness. Lower computational and financial costs make them accessible for smaller enterprises. 3. Enhanced security and privacy. Deployable in secure environments, they reduce the risk of data leaks. 4. Adaptability and lower latency. Ideal for real-time applications with faster response times and easier updates. Of course, SLMs are not without their limitations. 1. Niche focus. They may not perform well outside their specific domain, requiring multiple models for different areas. 2. Rapid evolution. Keeping up with advancements can be challenging. 3. Evaluation and selection. Choosing the right SLM can be daunting without deep understanding and expertise. Looking ahead, SLMs will continue to evolve, offering a practical balance between capability and efficiency. They represent a significant step forward in the AI landscape, providing tailored solutions that enhance industry-specific workflows. In conclusion, small language models offer significant advantages over large language models for many applications, especially where resource constraints and rapid deployment are crucial concerns. SLMs require less computing power and energy, making them more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. They also provide faster processing times and easier scalability across diverse environments. Their custom nature allows for more secure and robust implementations tailored to specific tasks, reducing the risks associated with large models. While LLMs have their place in handling complex, wide-ranging tasks, SLMs offer a compelling alternative that can be just as effective, if not more so, in contexts that demand efficiency, agility, and focus. This makes SLMs particularly valuable in today's fast-paced, resource-conscious world, where the balance of performance and practicality is crucial. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more AI insights, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI.